In this tutorial, you'll learn how to unpublish your GoDaddy website step by step using the site editor and settings options. First, click your site title in the GoDaddy dashboard to open the editor for your website. Inside the editor, review notifications as needed, then use the right sidebar to access the navigation or theme settings. You can explore theme options if you like, but to unpublish your site, open the Settings tab in the sidebar. In the Settings panel, select Unpublish to take your site offline. After confirming into the pop-up, click OK to acknowledge that the process is complete. If you change your mind, you can use the settings to republish your site. You might see a prompt to upgrade, so dismiss it with Not Now if you don't want a paid plan. Alternatively, use the Unpublish button in the top toolbar and confirm your choice in the modal dialog. To publish your site again later, click the Publish button in the top toolbar and dismiss any upgrade prompts as needed to continue editing your site. Finally, use your browser's back button to exit the editor when you're finished. That completes the steps to unpublish and manage your GoDaddy website.